Hey crafters, welcome into Guys Craft 2. My name is John, and it is that time of the month. Yes, Villa Rosa monthly designs. So I believe I got the designs and a couple of add-ons, which you're able to purchase if you choose to, and I always do. And as you know, I've been a pretty good fan of Villa Rosa. I have chosen to cut back on a lot of other purchases, but right now I am still planning on keeping with Villa Rosa. I think they're very cost effective. Their patterns are just so quick and easy for me to throw together. So right now I just plan on making them part of my monthly subscriptions, but we will see. So let's take a look at what is in the package for December. Now, keep in mind, if you do collect the Villa Rosa patterns and you like them as much as I do, you are able to download the app for the Villa Rosa designs, and you can store all your designs inside the app. So let's take a quick look at what is there this month. It looks like there is one add-on, and they've got some really cute designs. All right, so let's go with first one is called Sorrento. And this one is a quilt that finishes out 54. I might put my glasses on, guys. Sorry. 54 by 66. So it looks like a pretty cute, easy pattern to do. So definitely one that I will probably do. As you know, if you follow my channel, I really do like Villa Rosa. I don't always like the color choices that they put on the front, but a lot of times they put different color choices on the back that really seems to jump out better for me, but it is what it is. But I really do like this pattern. So Sorrento is one of the new patterns. Sugar Cookies is the next. Sugar Cookies finishes out 60 by 72. It does look like you've got some really nice, if you want to do some fussy cut and really show off some specific fabrics, then you've got a way of doing that. If you've got some special fabric that you would really like to highlight around there. Not sure. I have to look at some of the fabrics and the way I would use this on whether or not this is a great one for me. I don't mind it at all. I think it's a cute pattern. I just have to figure out if it's how functional it would be for me. Next one is called Exhibit. And Exhibit finishes out 51 by 60. Has one big center block. You've got the 4 blocks, and then you've got the 2 at the top. And then so it is another way of highlighting some really cool things. I will tell you, last year at the beach, I did buy some sea life panels that had sea turtles and different things. This might have been a really cool way of highlighting those because they were all different sizes in that panel, and they were meant to, I think, be fussy cut and done with something like this. So that could, if you run into the right panels in that, could really prove very useful. Nina is the next one, and that one finishes out 40 by 48. I really, really, really like this one. There's something about this that really jumps out to me. I like the colors in it. I like the focus. So this one is one that will probably rise to the top sooner than later. And I will have to say this last one I think is simply adorable. And it is 54 by 62, and it is called Whiskers, and that is got that 1950s kitty cat. And so I absolutely love that kitty cat. So you start with that panel, and then you trim it around and do all the other work. But I just want this stupid panel. So now I'll have to go back on Villa Rosa's website to see if they still have any of these panels. And if not, I'll have to start Googling the web to see where I can find that panel. Because even though I'm not a cat person, I do think that is absolutely adorable. And then there was one add-in this month. They did give me a snack mat, is what they call them. And this is called the Holiday Bauble. And it is pretty cute. It's a, to me, I guess it's meant to be an ornament. It could be an apple at the right time of year. So I think this has a lot of flexibility built into it. So it is pretty cute. I have yet to do any of their snack mats, although they have included several. I've done a few of their table runners, and have been really happy with the way those come together. I just haven't done the snack mats yet, but I really need to because I need practice my binding, and I would need to do that with something that I can control a little bit better. So some great opportunities for me to work on some of their stuff between the table runners and the snack mats. So overall, as always, pretty happy. This whole collection I think is $8.95. So you get one, two, three, five new patterns this month. I think it's $8.95 for all five patterns. I think it's a $2 add-on fee if you want to add on do any of the add-ons, and it's $2. And I don't think it matters if they do one or three or whatever. And some months they don't do any add-ons, but this month they did one. But I really do like. I have to say, overall, I'm really happy with this. I love the kitty cat. I love Nina. Um, I don't dislike Sorrento. I think that could be fun to work with. I think this could be fun. So a lot of good ideas this month, and a lot of different ways of showing off some of your fabrics without having to do half square triangles for everything and a lot of intricate piecing. So as always, very happy with Villa Rosa. My name is John. You landed in Guys Craft 2. Thanks for being here. That's my honest opinion. I am not endorsed. I pay for everything that I get, and I just enjoy sharing my thoughts with you all. So as always, guys, until next time, happy crafting.